ये जो हमारी रेलवे है उसका इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम हमारे देश में 1925 में शुरू हुआ था। 1925 में इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम शुरू हुआ, लेकिन 90 साल में 1925 से लेकर के 90 साल में सिर्फ 30% रेल का इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन हुआ था। यानी 90 साल में 30%। हमारी रफ्तार देखिए, लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए हमारी दौड़ देख लीजिए। हमने एक दशक के अंदर 100% काम पूरा कर दिया। 90 साल में 30%, 10 साल में 70%, ये होता है काम। और इसके कारण डीजल जो हमें बाहर से लाना पड़ता है उसकी बचत हुई, बिजली से हमारी ट्रेनें चली, पर्यावरण को फायदा होने लगा।
So let me explain how these project implementation help. So I'll cite one example of the railway electrification as an umbrella project and then one specific project. So when we talk about the umbrella project, let us talk about the railway electrification. We have got 99.6% of railway electrification. China is only 83%, UK may be around 39 to 40%, but we have achieved 99.6% of the railway electrification in the country. And what has happened is that the traction cost has reduced by 12,000 crores per year, and by 2030 it is expected that it will have a saving of 1 lakh crores. Further, the traction cost, basically traction cost, if you use the diesel, then it is rupees 32 per CTKM, whereas with the electric it is rupees just 50% of this. Then regenerative, the braking force, the saving is again another 10 to 15%. So the entire country has, the Indian Railways network has changed into the electrified section, and it will reduce the import of the oil, which is a burning topic nowadays, and it has contributed a lot. The railway electrification has contributed a lot.